Advantage and disadvantage of travertine tile. Dear friends, travertine tile is a natural stone variant just like the granite in your kitchen, or the marble in your bathroom, that is widely used in various homes today, but it has certain advantage and disadvantage of travertine tile over other stones. Travertine tiles are perfect for floors and walls, inside the home due to their striking beauty and long durability. Advantages. Travertine tile. The cost of travertine tiles is poor compared to marble and granite tile. It's about twice the worth of other comparable natural stones like marble and yet has very similar durability. Travertine already looks as if it's been there for an extended time that successfully keep its eternal look. Travertine also comes during a sort of stunning colors and may form various patterns. This makes it much easier to exchange tiles afterward. Travertine tiles are often used for a variety of various applications within the home. The tile's anti-slippery surface makes it easy to grip and walk on, especially for elders. It's also very resilient against extreme temperatures. It's very preferred by customers. It is easy to cut and shape during its installation. This enables homeowners to fill small and oddly shaped spaces. Disadvantages. Travertine tile. It is very porous and features a lot of holes. These holes can show some signs of wear and tear after a short time. Like most natural stones, travertine is vulnerable to staining and etching. It's important to use special products to seal and clean the surface. However, the simplest method so as to stop staining is to wash spills as soon as they happen. Travertine tiles are sensitivity towards acid. The tile is formed from carbonate and thus reacts negatively to weak acidic foods. This is often why travertine wouldn't be the simplest choice for kitchen countertops. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.